Hey everyone, welcome in. Thank you for tuning into my channel, Bagged and Bougie. Today we have a very exciting unboxing of a Coach purse, and I'm so excited for spring, and this purse just reeks spring, and I'm so excited to show it to you all. So stay tuned, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll keep going. All right, so as you can see, this is a big box. I've already opened it. I could not wait. I apologize, but I didn't do anything with it yet. So we're gonna kind of check it out together. Now I have this purse already in a different color, but now this is the spring color. So let's look at it together. First, we have the ribbon, and then we have a little note from Coach that says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention to detail. Coach has been known for since 1941. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you, etc., Coach." All right, so let's get right into it. Huge box. I'm super excited. What do you think it is? You see how big it is? Kind of see what the shape is a little bit. What do you guess that this is? Woo. All right, you could probably guess by how I picked it up. I am in love with the Coach Kisslocks. Yes, it is the spring candy crystal rainbow, whatever you want to call it, Kisslock bag. Just look how it sparkles. I love the pink, I love the yellows, I love the green, the blue, the orange. It's amazing. All right, so I'm gonna put the box to the side so we can open her up, see what she has to offer us. I do love this edition from the other Kisslock. It doesn't have this. We have this nice leather heart accessory here. I'm not big on all the charms and accessories, but this is really cute and subtle. And then we also have the Kisslock here key tags from Coach. It says the Kisslock frame bag limited re-edition. Love that. And I love the gold hardware. It kind of just goes with everything, especially with the sparkle of this bag. So I did an unboxing of my other Kisslock, and we saw it holds like literally almost everything. So much can fit inside this bag. However, it does take the shape of everything that you put into it. So I'd say be cautious, don't overstuff it. Nobody wants to carry a heavy bag, especially when we're out and about. And this bag is already large and oversized. Here's the strap, pull it off. But it's already large and oversized, so we don't need to add more to it. Less is more. All right, there is so much stuffing in this bag, it's crazy. But we're almost there, so we can see and admire this beautiful leather interior. And voila, here it is in all of its glory. A big, open, beautiful bag. And we're gonna put the strap on. So I am one that will use my strap. I feel like I have the shoulders where the strap tends to fall off all the time, but I like to be out and about, moving around, so a strap is definitely necessary. However, I don't think I would use this as a crossbody or try to get a longer strap because it is such a big bag. I mean, I am not a small woman. I'm 5'9". I am tall. I can do it, but it is a big bag, and I just don't see it as a crossbody. I know some other influencers do that, but you know, to each his own. For me, it's more just a shoulder bag or wearing it as the clutch that it is. It still smushes, so you can kind of carry it under your arm. I will stand back and kind of show my body with the bag so you can see that from that angle, hopefully. Get on me, you can wear it like a clutch, just like so, or I can change it around and wear it just like this. It is absolutely perfect for spring. I am so excited. I also ordered the shoes, so when the shoes arrive, I will do a video and I will show you the shoes and a whole outfit together. I will say I don't have a lot of spring color clothes in my wardrobe, but I am adding to my wardrobe, so I'll be happy to show that to you and share it with you when it arrives. But yes, this girl, yes, this is how we're going to be wearing this bag. Just like this. I am ready for brunch. I am ready for a date. I am ready to go shopping. Everything in this beautiful bag. Again, so I love it. I did a unboxing and a what fits in my bag with the other one with just jacquard colors, brown and tan. I do love that bag as well. But I'm ready to bring this one out for spring and save that one for fall and winter. All right, so here's the bag again, a little bit up close. Nice slow spin. All right, well, tell me what you think. Are you in love with this? Did you buy it? Did you get the smaller one? What do you think the difference between the bigger and the smaller is? Tell me all about it. Until next time, I appreciate you and I appreciate your time, and thank you for joining me on my channel, Bagged and Bougie. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.